my name is Tarrah, and if you've known me long enough, you know that my eyebrows have went through a lot. They went from this to this. Now, I'm not in any way saying that my eyebrows are perfect now, but when they went from that to that, like, that's something. That's something. First, I'm going to show you a slideshow of photos from when I first started my eyebrow journey to now. Why you clicked on this video, I'm going to show you how I grew out my eyebrows in 1 month. My advice to you is just pick a time period where you know you're not going to be around a lot of people, or if you don't really care, just do it whenever, but just stop plucking and shaving your eyebrows. You're going to have to commit to it sooner or later. You have to let that hair grow back in. What you can do during this period is pluck the hairs that you know for sure you don't need. So just put down the tweezers, commit to a time period, and stop plucking your eyebrows. So the next step is to apply castor oil or Vaseline to your eyebrows every night. So you want to massage either castor oil or Vaseline into your eyebrows every night, brush them up and over, and they should start growing out. Once you get your desired hair growth, you can start grooming and shaping your eyebrows. How I do this is I use my nose, pupils, and just my eye in general to find my tail, arch, and where my eyebrow should start. Using your eyebrow pencil, or just anything straight for that matter, you can put it on the dotted lines to see where your eyebrow should start, where your arch should be, and where your tail should be. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed that video, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and leave me a comment down below what your worst beauty mistake is. Mine definitely is shaving my eyebrows. Don't do that. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!